In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload videos to TikTok. So for us to get this done, it's actually pretty simple. Now, say for example, you have videos on your gallery that you have just created or captured recently and you want to upload it. Here's how to do it. First things first, we're going to tap the plus sign right here, and instead of photos, we're just going to go ahead and skip that part there, and we're going to go ahead and click the galleries or the album that we have here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click the videos here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and select a video to upload. Alright, there you go. So I have already selected a video that I want to upload. Say for example, this one, I know this is not very ideal because it's horizontal, but it's gonna be okay. So for the sake of this video or tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and then we can go ahead and try to check the settings here in order for us to see what we can use. So you have, for example, the most common one, text. You can click that over there, and then you can add, say for example, I'm going to go ahead and type here, hi winter. Alright, and then click the done button, and then I can go ahead and resize this one and then put it somewhere in the video. So let's go ahead and try to put it here. Now I can also go ahead and add a sticker by clicking this icon right here, and we're going to go ahead and look for, say for example, winter related. Okay, so let's go ahead and use this one for example. I'm going to click that over there, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it just beside or just below my text. There you go. Another thing that we can do, again, just go ahead and click this, and then in order for you to see the effects, filters, so I'm going to do that one. Let's go ahead and try to find something. All right, there you go. So there's like an overexposure or something. Not that one. Okay, I think this one fits perfect. I'm going to click the save button, and then we can also go ahead and add some filters. So let's try. All right, I like this one a lot. So I'm going to use this, and then you can also adjust the strength of it. So just go ahead and set this here. And yeah, once you're done, you can just go ahead and tap the next button down below, and then you can go ahead and adjust something here. So for example, you can add description, hashtag mentions, and I want you to go over all the things that are necessary or something that you think is going to be perfect for your video. And when you are done, just go ahead and tap the post button right here, and you should be able to see your new video pop up here in your profile. And that, everybody, is how it's done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.